Everybody, I'm back with another video. I'm finally over my sickness. Like, I feel a lot better. It's just my throat still hurts, man. Like, I don't know. Like, I've been doing everything. I've been drinking a lot of water. But that's besides the case. Today, I'm gonna be taking you guys to, you know, your favorite, the car meets. No, I'm just playing. No one watches the car meet videos. But hey, trying to push out content. So we're in the car wash right now. I'm gonna take you guys along with me to Sacramento to go to the car meet, and we're gonna get into the video. If you're new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the exhaust video real soon, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Change of plans. That car meet was really small. I'm not gonna record the car meet today. We're gonna try the e30 map. We're gonna throw some e85 into the gas tank today. And yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna do a couple pulls in the car. I can't really get you guys drive-bys. This is gonna be more for personal, like for me to try it out. This is gonna be personal type of situation. I see a e85 pump, so fuck it. I have like a 3/4 of a tank. We're gonna go ahead and throw 5 gallons at e85. That should put us at e30. And yeah, the way we're gonna get there, we use the calculator on the iPhone. It has the ethanol calculator, and then it tells you how much gas you need to put in to reach the number. We don't have a kit to read it yet, but if this goes good, we're gonna get the flex fuel kit. So yeah, stay tuned. Flex fuel?
You didn't even press it.
I did.
Oh my god.
Oh god. Scary, bro. No, I recorded sideways. Like
For YouTube or what?
Yeah. How many gallons?
3.5. No, not 3.5 sale, 3.5 gallons.
Oh shit, I was looking at the wrong one. Hey, fucking up already, dog.
How do you feel though?
I'm scared, bro. I'm nervous.
Yeah, it's alright.
No, this is like
you blow the car up,
Hey, worst case scenario, it blows up. What?
Yeah, I guess that's worst case. I don't think corn should blow it up though.
Worst case scenario, it's just gonna run fucking like you just heard it. Like hella fucking choppy, bro.
Alright, 3.5. Alright, let it get in the system on the way home and then we'll fucking...
Alright guys, so I've drove home all the way on the E30 map. I can already tell you, sorry about the glare. I can already tell you the car feels a lot quicker. It immediately launches, and like I have it, the burbles went to 1. They're not on 12 anymore, and that shit's still fucking popping, bro. Woo! Shit. Dude, it's like a rocket, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, bro. This shit's a little too fast. We ended up putting like 3 gallons of E85 because I had like almost a full tank. So we didn't need much, but it is in there. And I am on the E30 map. It's running smooth. I would say don't get scared when the car first starts up, when you're first time running this map, because it's choppy, bro. Like tractor. Like it's loud like on the first startup. But like once it mixed, it's cool now. Like it sounds good. I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys some sound clips. I'm gonna turn the burbles up, and maybe we can get a flame or 2. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I'll get back to you guys in a minute. I'm about to pull in my house, play with the tune a little bit. I know this video is kind of all over the place, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little startup. I do have the GTS roar activated. I was bored, so I was like, all right, let's see how it sounds with the new exhaust. Let's see how it sounds with the 85 in there. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little startup real quick. As you can see, the P3 gauge is still not here. It's getting fixed. Like they're sending it back already, but like I don't know, it's getting fixed. So that thing is just a hole. Anyways, well, here's the startup. This is just a startup too. I think it sounds like this because of the GTS. The GTS roar. I think that's the only reason it's idling so high, because usually it idles around 600 without the 85 in the gas. And then I usually don't have the GTS roar on, so I think that's why it's idling a little high, just because it's the GTS roar. And then as you see, it quiet backs down. It goes back to 600 RPMs. So as you can see, it's not even really loud, but like it sounds good in my opinion. Like, ooh. guys think? I wish I could run e30 all the time, but this is gonna be a temporary thing. But what I do is it sounds fucking mean. Alright guys, to conclude the video, so we took it, I was near 80 where I was at, and there's not one by my house. So I was like, hey, there's a pump here. I got the boot mode app. I got the keys adapter. Let's run the e30 map. So I ended up going with almost a full tank, so we didn't need that much of the 85 actually in the blend. I know it was like, we put like 3.5 gallons of 85, and that put us right back to like a little over, almost a full tank. And then it said I needed like 2.97 of regular 91 to fill the tank completely, but we didn't want to do that, so we just put the amount it told us. I used the E85 calculator on the App Store. iPhone, there's a few. Android probably has the same apps, honestly. So you just get that calculator. You put how much fuel your car can hold. So like the 330i is 3.5 gallons total. So you put that on the top, and then you put the percentage of ethanol you're trying to reach, which mine was 30. And that's gonna give you calculations on the bottom of how much 85 to put and how much 91 to put. I think it said if the tank was empty, it's around 9 gallons at 85, and then the other, I don't know, I might go with math, but the rest would be 91. The right way to do this is to make sure you buy a fuel test kit. You test the 85 and you test the 91 you're putting in before, because you have no real way of gauging if it's at E30 or not. I kind of just was like, all right, it is what it is. Let's try this real quick. So that's not the right way to do it. Make sure you go to AutoZone, O'Reilly's, get the ethanol test kit, test your mix. If you have a P3 gauge and you have the ethanol sensor, you can read it through your car. Or if you have the boot mode flex fuel kit, you could also read it with no issues. Yes, that's pretty much going to conclude this video. I did one pull with the car. Can't really see the difference on camera. In person though, you're getting a little bit more torque, so it's putting you back in your seat a lot more. It makes the car a lot quicker off the line, but I don't think there's real horsepower gain. It's more of a little bit of more torque gain. For me, this isn't going to be like a regular. I'm not going to run it 24/7 until I figure out a way where I could have 85 at the house, because I don't have a pump close enough. The closest pump is 35 minutes up the freeway, and unless I'm going to school, I can't really make that drive every day. I just can't. So for me, this will be maybe a weekends thing. If I'm in Sacramento, I'll fill up a little bit with 85, run the 30 tune. For like whatever that tank, however long that tank lasts. It's not too bad. It's not eating it that fast either with the 85 in there. It's actually like the same as it was, miles per gallon, which is crazy, because I've heard that like when you put full tank at 85, your tank basically cuts in half. So if you get 400 miles to the gallon, like full tank, you're gonna get like 2. Or like if you get 300, you're gonna get like 1.8. Like, you know what I mean? This is like a half. So I'd say if you're looking for a little bit more torque, go ahead, put a little bit of E85 in your blend. Make sure you code the map in first, because your car will run fucking lean and it won't, like, it won't run right. For me, it's also a lot louder too. You gotta keep that into consideration. So like, I just put the exhaust on, so it made the car super loud on the startup. And yeah, that's gonna conclude this video. If you're new, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next F30 videos. I'm out.